Guys, today's technical. I'm going to show you the must-have gaming computer programs of 2018. Alright, the number one program you're going to need is must-have is called Nine. You go to this website, I'll link in the description below. You're going to want to make sure you have Chrome, Steam, Discord, Windows-Stat, Spotify, all the runtimes, WinRAR, and Malwarebytes selected. Also, a few extra ones that are not necessary but are good to have are Google Earth, ImageBurn, VLC, Spotify, and Notepad++. Those are just a few of the add-ons you can get. There's also a lot of other programs on here that are very nice too. You can try. The second best program you're gonna need on your computer is called CC Cleaner. It basically just speeds up your computer, and it also will delete extra files you don't need there anymore, or you don't use. Okay, so the third most needed program is called f.lux or Flux. Basically, it just changes the color of your screen to a yellower tint at night so that it's easier on your eyes to look at the screen for long periods of gaming or just computer usage in general. It's also one of the best programs ever. It's basically gunner glasses. The fourth most needed program is called Game Save Manager. This is great for lots of people who play single player games, maybe download mods to make their favorite games last longer, like The Witcher or GTA, maybe even Fallout. So that's great if you play those. Now the fifth one. This is SuperAllit 4. Basically, this is kind of a joke one, but it's actually very useful still. A lot of games nowadays, or a lot of programs in general, if you hit Alt F4, it won't actually close out of them. So you download this and hit Control Alt F4, and it will close the program no matter what, even if it's frozen. It's another great one. Here's a bonus program, guys. I don't use this one anymore, but I used to. It's very nice. It's called Rainmeter. It basically lets you do loads of customizations to your desktop wallpaper, like animating them and doing all sorts of other cool things. It's great. Try it out. Alright, guys. Those are my top 5 gaming programs that you need of 2018. I hope you liked the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.